Hey everyone, welcome to a new tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how you can create tasks in Tookan app directly and automatically from your Airtable records. So guys, for this we are going to connect Airtable with Tookan in such a way that whenever you are going to add the details of any tasks, any pickup or delivery task in your Airtable, the same task will be created in Tookan app. So Tookan is a delivery management software, and if you want to use it efficiently with minimum manual efforts, this automation is for you. So guys, by the end of this video, you will learn this automation and we are going to set up this without any coding very easily. So let's begin. So we are going to set up this automation using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation tool. And this is the landing page of Pabbly, and I have pasted the same link in the description as well. So from here you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. Okay, so you can just sign up right now from the given link, and after that you have to sign in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect application. From here you have to click on this create workflow button to set up this workflow, and here you can give a name to your workflow as well. So I'm giving the name here as Airtable to Tookan. Okay, Airtable to Tookan. Okay, now you can click on create button and you can see your workflow page will start loading up, and after when it load up, it will show you these two things, the trigger and the action. So with the help of these two things, we are going to set up the automation. So trigger is that event which is going to start this workflow, and the action would be the consequence of the trigger or the response towards the trigger. So guys, in our use case, the trigger would be adding of the details of a new task in Airtable. Okay, that is going to trigger the workflow, and automatically the same task will be created in Tookan app automatically. Okay, so here guys, I'm going to search for Airtable, and the trigger event would be new record. Then click on connect here. From here, select add new connection option, and it will ask for the API key of Airtable application to make this connection with Airtable. Okay, so to find this key, you need to go to the account section of Airtable, which you will find here. Let me show you. This is my Airtable's application base named as Tookan Pickups. Okay, and here you can see I have this profile icon. From here, click on accounts and the account page will open up. From here, when you scroll down, you will find this API key here. You just have to copy this key and you have to paste this key here in this field like this, and then click on save and you will be connected with Airtable. Okay, so it is started showing connected, and here it is asking for the base's name. So the name of my base in Airtable is Tookan Pickups. So I'm going to search for it from this drop down. So search for Tookan Pickups. Okay, here it is. And you can see the table's name is showing table 1 here because my table's name is table 1. Okay, and here you must have a created time field in your Airtable space. Okay, so it will act as a trigger field for this workflow. So how will you add this? You can see this is my table, and here I have all these fields. Okay, these are different type of fields. You can see this is when you click on edit field, you can see it's a single line text field, and it is also a single line text field. It is a address field, and here you can see we have this email field. Okay, and in the last I have added this created field, and the type of this field is created time field. So this field captures the date and time of entering of the details in a row. Okay, so this field actually triggers our workflow, so you must have this field when you're connecting Airtable with your workflow. Okay, so you can put it at the last. So when you're done entering the details here, this field is going to capture the details of creation of the field. Okay, after that we are going to capture the data here of the fields in this workflow. Okay, so you can read the instructions and do that. Let me first fill in all the details. Let me put the delivery details of my customer as well. All right, and after filling the details here, when you click on save and send test request button here, the details of the fields that you have entered will be captured in the workflow. Let me show you. I have clicked on save and send test request button, and here you can see we have received these labels in which we got the details that we have in our base. You can see the task description is showing up here as new pickup, the phone number, the pickup person's email, the pickup person's name, the address, okay, the order ID, the delivery is last date, the customer's email, the customer's address. Okay, so here these are the same details that I have here. You can see order ID is 002, and let me show you this. The task description, new pickup, pickup person's name, demo person, number, pickup person's address, sorry, the pickup location actually, and this is the delivery location, this is the customer's email. Okay, all the things are captured here as it is. Okay, now guys, I want to create a pickup task in Tookan app from this data that I have received. For this, we are going to click here on this plus icon, and before this guys, let me show you this something here, that here we have received this label. It is showing the label deliveries last date. Okay, and here it is showing 3:30. Okay, 23/12/2022 3:30. But actually here in my Airtable, the time I have entered, the date and time I have entered of the delivery is this. I want this product to be delivered at 23rd of December 2022 at 9 a.m. But here it is showing 3:30 because Airtable sends the data in UTC format, that is Universally Coordinated Time format, which lags behind Indian Standard Time by 5 hours and 30 minutes. That's why it is showing 3:30 here. So we need to convert this into IST again. And for that guys, we are going to use a feature of Pabbly Connect which is called date time formatter. So in this actions tab, I'm going to search for date time formatter feature. Here it is. Okay. And the action event would be format date with time zone. Then click on connect here. And here it is asking which date you want to change the format of. So I want to change the format of this date, last date label. Okay, so I'm going to map this label here. To map the label, you just have to click here, and the previous tab or the triggers tab will appear here in the drop down, and when you click on it, you will find all the data here only. So from here, map this last date label like this. Okay, now it is asking from which format you want to convert. So we have received the date in this format. You can see YYYY, DD, a T in between, then hours, minutes and seconds. This is the same format already selected here, DD, a T in between. Okay, so no need to change here anything. Now it is asking to which format you want to change this. So I'm going to change this in simple format, not this complicated format. So let me choose a simple format, which is this. Okay, like this. Something I want to convert it in something in the format something like this. Okay, and we have received the time in UTC. So I have selected from which time zone I have received the time. I have received it in UTC, and now I want to convert it in Indian Standard Time or Asia Kolkata time zone. Okay, so I have selected Asia Kolkata here. You can select yours. Now click on save and send test request button, and the time will be changed into correct format. Here you can see guys, now we got the date like this, 23/12/2022 and 9 a.m. Okay, which was I have entered actually here. Okay, now guys, let's take a next step, and here click on this plus icon to open another action window, and from here now we are going to search for Tookan app to connect it. And in Tookan app, we are going to create a task. So in the action events, we are going to select this create pickup and delivery task. Okay. Then click on connect button, and from here select add new connection, and here it is asking for the API key of Tookan app. So you can find this key from the settings section of Tookan application, and here you'll find the keys. So let me show you that. This is my Tookan applications dashboard. And from this left hand side panel, click here on this icon, and here you will find this settings option. Click on settings, and under settings page on the left hand side panel only, when you scroll down, you will find this API keys option. Click on API keys, and here is a already existing API key I have. So you have to find this v2 API key, version 2 API key. So you can generate a key, a new key by clicking on generate key button, or you can use any existing key if you have. So I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to paste it here and then click on save, and you will be connected with Tookan app. Okay, so we are connected. And here it is asking for the order ID, task description, pickup person's name, and we have many fields here. Okay, so to create a task in Tookan, we need to fill all these details, and we have received the details from our Airtable's base here in the trigger. So I'm going to map these labels here in these fields in this third step. Okay, so to map the data, you just have to click here and the previous steps will appear here. So from the first step, let me first map the order ID like this. Similarly, the task description, the pickup person's name, okay, pickup person's email, okay, pickup person's address, the pickup address. So this is the pickup address, and it is asking the date of pickup. That means the pickup should be completed before which dates you have to enter here. So I have entered the date here in the Airtable, and I have corrected the format of date in the second step. So from the second step, I'm going to map this date. Okay. Similarly, delivery customer email. So you'll find the customer's email here. So guys, I don't have customer's name, so I'm just going to put customer here just to show you the demo. Okay. If you have the name, you can map the name. Customer's address, find the address and map it. This is the delivery address. All right, guys, and here it is asking this task should be completed before. So I want that this task should be completed before the date of delivery. So I'm going to map the same date here also from this second step where I have changed the format. Okay, and this is actually the format it needs. You can see this is the same format I have entered here. In the time zone, guys, as I have already told you that the data transfer between applications happens in UTC, that is universally coordinated time format. So we need to change the format according to our time zones. So I am working in India, so my time zone is IST. So here you can read in the help text, since India's time is ahead of UTC, and to convert it into UTC time, 330 minutes has to be subtracted from it. Okay, so I have converted this into IST. Now we are going to convert it again into UTC by putting this thing here, minus 330 minutes. Okay, just put here a minus sign and put 330. Okay, and you can select the team here, which is going to complete this task. You can select the agents who are going to complete this task. I have on the default team and the default agent. And here in this reference image, you have to paste or enter the URL of the document related to this delivery. That means it can be an invoice, it can be the order, it can be the order document, or any relevant document. So you have to upload it somewhere and find a link in this format, and you have to paste that link here. Okay, so let me put any link for just showing you the demo. Let me put a link here. So just to show you the demo, I have pasted the link of the logo of Pabbly Connect application. If you have the invoices or the billing details, you can paste the link of that here. Okay. Now guys, you can check your connection with Tookan app by clicking on save and send test request button, and a new task will be created in Tookan. So this is Tookan actually. Let me show you. So this is the task section of Tookan application, and here let us click on save and send test request button and see if a new task is created on Tookan or not. So here it is loading up, and here you can see this is the response we have received. The message is the task has been created. This is the status. These are the details. Let's check in Tookan if we got a new task here. Let me refresh this page. And here you can see guys, we got a new task created here with this order ID 002. Okay. And here you can see the delivery date is 23rd of December at this time. And these are the customer details. Okay. So these are the same details that I have entered here. You can see the order ID is same. The customer details are same. Okay. and a new task is created in Tookan. Okay, so this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually in this workflow. After setting up this, whenever you are going to enter the details of any delivery task or any new task here in your Airtable space, the task will be created in Tookan app automatically. So you'll have a basic backup of your task here in Airtable, and the task will be created in real time here as well. And guys, you can use this workflow as well, as I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description, and you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.